Are you wondering if the Huawei Watch Fit 5 and the Fit 5 Pro has got Spotify, or can we perhaps maybe control Spotify from this watch? So I kind of have some good and also some bad news. First, if you actually go and check the apps, there isn't actually a dedicated Spotify app from the Huawei. However, actually, I see there is actually one third-party app that I actually managed to install, but the problem is it actually requires premium account for Spotify. So you see, if you actually install it, so you see you can actually, looks like use Spotify basically. It's a bit slow, this app here, but it appears it works. So if you're wondering how to get it, so you simply go in the Huawei Health app here, and so you see it has got app gallery here. So in the bottom, click devices, click on your watch here, go in the app gallery and search for the Spotify controller and simply install it here. Once you actually install it on your phone, there will be some kind of QR code that you have to scan with your phone and to lead you directly, where do I have it? Basically this page, where you also have to download the application on your phone. So it basically like syncs together the phone with this one. So, and in this app, so I kind of downloaded here. So I see you have to actually log in with your Spotify account here, but you see it says you need premium account to be able to do that. So I do not have a Spotify premium account. I won't be able to show you, unfortunately, that, but it appears works. I have heard it's a bit wonky, maybe not as fast, but appears okay. Then if you basically do not have premium account, you can still kind of actually control Spotify from this watch without that app. For example, if I open up my Spotify here, let me turn down the volume. So this is copyrighted stuff. I won't be able to play that. So as you see, if you go here in your music player, click here and make sure your phone is selected here. By default, you might have your watch selected. So make sure to go here and select the phone here. Okay, let's verify I do not have sound. Yep. So you see, I can actually start playing here remotely, Spotify basically on my phone. Also, I can stop it. I can go to the next song here and also previous song. So you see, it actually works. Just good for controlling Spotify playing on your phone essentially. But on this one, without that third-party app I showed you, we can't get Spotify, only use the controls. However, what's cool about this watch, we can actually load music internally in this watch. So you can also listen offline. So you see, let's select this device, so we can actually play from it. And you see I have loaded some songs inside here. So you can also adjust the volume. Also, you can adjust the Spotify volume as well using this scroll wheel here. And the speaker quality is actually very good on this watch, I would say. Yeah, I mean the speaker is good. And yeah, you have full dedicated music player. If you're wondering how to load the music, then you go again in the Huawei Health app and music here. Manage music, and you see, click add songs, and you can simply select the songs you want transfer over to your watch, and then it will get transferred. Okay, go back.